This is Kyle with HomeQwik, here today at 5402 East Windsor Avenue in Phoenix. This is a condo. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, coming in at just shy of 1,200 square feet. Let's take a quick look around the outside before we head in. Facing the front door, to our right is a little storage closet. To our left, front patio. Take a look inside. First thing you notice when you enter, gorgeous wood flooring. And some carpeted stairs that take you upstairs. Got really high ceilings in here as well. Creates a nice, large open space living area. Nice wood-burning fireplace with tile surrounding it. Across the room here is our little kitchen nook. As you can see, we already have our stainless steel appliances. Got wood cabinets, some really pretty granite countertops. Large double sink. Alright, turning left here, as you can see, we've got our washer dryer stacked, some storage shelves. Right across from that is our first bathroom. You can see the walk-in shower there. Alright, continuing on down this little hallway. Got bedroom number 1. In the closet, it's plenty of room to walk in. Lots of space in here. And a nice private patio. Alright, that's it for downstairs. We're going to head upstairs next. Alright, we're standing at the top of the staircase here to the left. Nice little loft. An open view of downstairs. Turning right after you reach the top of the staircase, or actually right in front of you, is the second bathroom. A lot like the first one downstairs, walk-in shower. Alright, and then off to our right here is the second bedroom. Same thing in here, nice walk-in closet, lots of space. And we've got our outdoor balcony. Anyway, that about wraps it up here at 5402 East Windsor Avenue in Phoenix. If you like this home, you want to see it, give us a call at or you can check out this property online at our website, homequik.com. That's HomeQwik.com. You can see this property or any of our others we have for rent. All right, thank you for watching.